Today, I'm so excited to share with you a recipe that's not only delicious but also healthy. In a bowl, add 2 cups of rolled oats. Mix 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 whole medium size of egg. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and mix it together. Combine the 2 mixture until well incorporated. Stir in 1/4 cup of semi-chocolate chips. Drop the cookie dough balls onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, and then flatten it with your hands or using a spatula. Bake the peanut butter oatmeal cookies at 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Transfer it immediately to a wire rack to cool down completely.
They're actually quite heavy in weight.
Yeah. So you should not finish it all at once. How is it?
No, they're nice and they're very heavy. You can use them for dinner.
Once the cookies have completely cooled down, transfer them to an airtight container. This is perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without the guilt. And it's packed with wholesome ingredients. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and see you on my next video.